If you are looking for a perfect make money online Amazon strategy, then this is the right video for you. In this video, I'm going to show you an amazing Amazon strategy with which you can earn money doing affiliate marketing. This is very simple, okay, and most of you will be able to do it and does not require a bunch of skills, okay. A simple 2 to 3 small skills you can learn within 2 to 3 days, and after that you can apply those skills and make money with this particular strategy, okay. Now this can be something which can be really rewarding in the long term. So if you are excited about this strategy, smash the like button and also smash the subscribe button, as well as a course about drop servicing is there, first link in the description. So if you want to make money online doing drop servicing, then you can just check out that course for yourself. So now let's jump into our awesome and juicy content so that you will get fired and make some good income online. Okay guys, so now we are into our computer screen. You can see a channel over here. Now this is a particular type of channel which makes top 5 gadget videos, okay. Just like this, you can see top 5 smart glasses for 2021, top 5 budget action cameras, top 5 gaming phones. All these types of videos are done by them, okay. Now let me show you one of the example videos. I'm not gonna play the entire video, but you just need to understand what I want to say.
What's
okay
up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best gaming phones.
So what they are doing is that whatever advertisement Samsung smartphone is putting on YouTube, they are just downloading that advertisement on their computer, okay, which you can do with the website which is known as ytmp3.cc. Just go to Google and just search for ytmp3.cc, okay. Now from this website you can download any of the videos which are available on YouTube in MP4 format, okay, on your computer. So this is the first step which you need to do, okay. So what they did is that they went to Google, search for top 5 smartphones, okay, and then on YouTube they went to the Samsung's official page, okay, and downloaded the Samsung smartphones advertisement over here, okay, and then they just utilize that advertisements. So in advertisement cases you won't get a copyright strike because the company wants you to utilize that b-roll which they have created of their particular product because they want to promote it to more and more people. So there would be less problem of a copyright strike in this type of channel. Now on the top of that,
In 2020.
so you can see on the top of that, this guy is providing a voiceover. He is giving you information about that smartphone, like this is one of the best gaming smartphone. It has this Kinda processor and it is really fast, so you can utilize it and play games, and that's it, okay. That's all the information which this guy is providing in his voiceover, which is real simple, easy, and any one of you can provide this kind of voiceover because all you need to do is read the specifications of a particular smartphone and this provide the information about that, okay. In the same way, after this advertisement is over, he just provides he has just downloaded the video of another smartphone and then he is playing game on it, and then he is just giving his voiceover about it. Then the third smartphone, then there is fourth smartphone, okay. So he is officially utilizing the advertisements which this companies officially release, okay, and then he is providing a bunch of voiceover on it and providing value on this video. That's the reason why he is not at all getting any copyright strikes on this channel. And you can see in the description he has provided Amazon affiliate links to all the smartphones, okay. So that is how he is monetizing this channel, as well as he is also earning AdSense revenue with this strategy. So this can be one of the best strategy for you to make some real long-term income online, because there are a ton of products in the world about which you can create this kind of 4 to 5, this kind of top 5, top 6, top 10 videos which can be really awesome for you making some great money online, which is really simple, easy, and this can be one of the things which you can do full time and even earn a full time income from this, because tech YouTube has a really high CPM, as well as you are also monetizing this with Amazon affiliate marketing, which can result into earning 2x income, that is doubling down the income which you directly earn from this method, which can be really awesome for anyone to make some real income online. The strategy is simple. You just need to download YouTube videos from the official websites of this Samsung smartphones. Okay, you can go to this official Samsung smartphone website and get a video just like this for yourself, or you can also go to official Samsung's YouTube page and download a video, and then you just need to compile 4 to 5 videos with each other, which you can do with almost any of the video editor. If you are a Mac user, I suggest you to utilize iMovie, and if you are a Windows user, then you can download a software which is known as Filmora 10. Okay, it is one of the best software for video editing. Just learn the video editing. It will take you 2 to 3 days to learn the video editing, and then you just can do this and start earning some real long-term income online all by yourself. Okay, so if you are a student or someone who is at your house like a housewife, then you can definitely do this stuff, because you are having time. That is, it takes almost 1 hour to make this kind of videos. You can produce this kind of videos every single day and upload it to YouTube every single day. This can be really beneficial to you, and you can make some ton of money with this. And the thing is that you just need to compile the videos. You don't need to do any different type of editing or any difficult editing in this type of channels, and that is also one of the benefit of this kind of channels. That's the reason why you won't be wasting much time on video editing on this type of channels, because this guy has just made a compilation and he has just joined all the clips and he is just providing a simple voiceover on it. That can be real awesome. Okay, as well as you can, if you don't find any clips, you can also download images from this official websites, and you can also utilize that images in this videos, and that can be one of the way of conveying the information and making money with it, providing Amazon affiliate links in the description, as well as you can also get partnered with some other websites, okay, which also provide you with affiliate commissions. So that can be also extra source of income which you can build up with this, as well as this is a high CPM niche, so there is a huge chance that you will get monetized on YouTube. You can see an ad is playing over this video. That means this channel is also monetized via AdSense, so it is also earning money with YouTube AdSense. This can be one of the greatest, most rewarding strategy and a way to earn money from YouTube as soon as possible. Just by uploading your first video, you are providing Amazon affiliate links. That's the reason why you are monetizing this channel from the first day, from the first video which you are uploading to it. Okay, so if you got some value out of this video, smash the like button and also smash the subscribe button visible with downwards, okay, so that you will get notified every time I come up with this type of awesome videos just for you. So we'll see you in the next awesome video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching our awesome juicy content.